Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Motorola Moto G72. And to do this you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to get it in our previous video. Now let's find the files that we want to pack, select each of this file, click on the plus button. Here you can change anything about your archiving options, and I'm just gonna go with different name, call it picture. It's not necessary to change any settings to make a basic RAR file, so let's just click on OK, and right here the file is created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.